Let us solve this fourth problem in this question bank of application of derivatives, and the type is maxima and minima. This is a function x cube minus 18x square plus 96x. We have to find the local maxima and minima, the points at which the function is maximum and minimum, as well as the values of these functions. So we have been given y is equal to x cube minus 18x square plus 96x. The first step is to find two derivatives, first order derivative and second order derivative d2y by dx square of this equation. So it will be dy by dx is equal to x cube, derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 18 is constant, derivative of x square is 2x plus 96 is constant, derivative of x is 1, so it will come out to be 3x square minus 36x plus 96. This is the first order derivative. If we again differentiate it, it will be d2y by dx square, 3 constant, derivative 2x minus 36 to derivative 1 plus derivative of constant alone is always 0, so it comes out to be 6x minus 36. So this is the first step. Now second step is to find the points. Find points x is equal to a and x is equal to b at which the slope of tangent to the curve is 0. In other words, at which dy by dx is equal to 0. So there will be 2 points on the curve where derivatives will be 0. For this we put the value 0 in this equation of derivatives. So 0 is equal to 3x square minus 36x plus 96. If we divide each term by 3, the equation gets simplified to x square minus 12x plus 32. So now this equation can be solved in two ways, as I have explained in last problem also. This equation, this is a quadratic equation, it can be solved in two ways. The simpler way is this, to split this term into two terms such that their multiplication is 32 and addition is minus 12. So it will be minus 8 and minus 4. So if we see the multiplication is plus 32, minus multiply minus, if we add them it is minus 12. So the equation comes out to be x minus 8 multiplied by x minus 4 is equal to 0. When two terms multiplied becomes 0, either of them must be 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. These are the 2 points where the slope of tangent to the curve is 0. Means either here it is the curve makes maximum, or at x is equal to 4 the curve is maximum. The curve is maximum at one point and minimum at another point. If this method, if you find difficult, some student find it difficult, this is another method. A, B, C. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 12, C is equal to 32. So this is x is equal to minus, this is a formula we will learn in the school, under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. This is the standard formula for solving a quadratic equation. So it will be minus minus plus 12 plus or minus under root b square minus 12 square minus 4a is 1, c is 32 upon 2 into a is 1. So it will be 12 plus or minus, denominator is 2. Let us calculate the other term, what it comes to be. That is under root minus 12 square minus 4 a is 1 into c is 32. So it comes out to be 4 So here there will be two values, x is equal to 12 plus 4 upon 2 and x is equal to 12 minus 4 upon 2. So x is equal to 16 by 2 will be 8 and x is equal to 8 by 2 will be 4. It gives the same answer, but the method is a bit different. You can choose whichever is convenient and easier to you. So we have completed the second step to find the points, and the third step is to check for maxima. This is very important step. Here we will check where the function maximum at x is equal to 8 or x is equal to 4. For this, the check is we find d2y by dx square at any one value. Let me find x is equal to 8. We put x is equal to 8 into this equation. This is the expression for second order derivative. 6x minus 36. 6x is 8 minus 36. It comes out to be 48 minus 36. It is 12. So this answer is positive, which means that function is minimum at x is equal to 8 and max at x is equal to 4. The fourth step, the last step, is to find y max and y minimum, y maximum and y minimum. We have found the x points. Now let us find the y. So y maximum will be at x is equal to 4. We put x is equal to 4 in original equation, x cube minus 18x square plus 96x, x cube minus 18x square minus plus 96x. So let us find it into calculator. It will be 4 cube minus 18 into 4 square plus 96x 160. It comes out to be 160. This is the maximum, and y minimum is at this point. X is equal to 8, so it is 8 cube minus 18 into 8 square plus 96 into 8. So this comes out to be 8 cube minus 18 into 8 square plus 96 into 8. This is 128. So we got these two values. This is the maxima and this is the minimum. That is the final answer. Now let us verify it graphically, what we have done, whether it is correct or not. So let me put the equation here. Y is equal to x cube minus 18x square plus plus 96x. So here it is. Here is the curve. Here it is the curve, and here is these local maxima and minima. Say this is the maximum point. The maximum is 160 at x is equal to 4, and minimum is here. It is 128 at x is equal to 8. So what we have found is absolutely correct. It is minimum value occurs at x is equal to 8 and the minimum value is 128, and maximum value occurs at x is equal to 4 and the value of y max is 160.